following rockets out of cardboard. The height from the base to the tip of the smaller rocket is 20 centimeters. The height from the base to the tip of the larger rocket is 120 centimeters. What percent of the area of the small rocket is the area of the larger rocket? So the larger is the new, and the smaller is the original. 120 divided by 20 is 6, which gives us a scale factor of 6. If we were to change that to percents, we could say that is 600%. The scale of the areas is the scale factor squared. So we're going to take that 6 and we're going to square it, which gives us 36. And that's as a scale factor for the area, but it asks us what percent of the area. And so if we were to change that into a percent, we need to move the decimal 2 spots to the right, which gives us an answer of 3,600%.